Hey my dear viewers, this is Abduraman Kesan. Today I'm gonna guide you to the Hora Dambal or Lake Batu. Lake Batu is found in Oromia regional state. Lake Batu is one of the freshwater Rift Valley lakes of Ethiopia. It is the home of the people. According to research, located about 100 miles south of Addis Ababa, as found in Oromia regional state in Batu town. And the Batu town lies on the lake's west shore. The lake is fed primarily by two rivers, the Murki from the west and the Katara from the east, and is drained by the Bulbula, which empties into Lake Abjata. The lake's catchment has an area of 7,025 square kilometers. Hora Dambal is 31 kilometers long and 20 kilometers wide, with a surface area of 440 square kilometers. It has a maximum depth of 9 meters and lie at an elevation of 1,636 meters. The shores and island of Hora Dambal are the home of the Thay people. Tradition stated that then, when Ahmad ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi of the Adal Sultanate conquered Ethiopia, and the Christians of the area took refuge on its islands, they were later isolated from the rest of Ethiopia by the Oromo people. And the lake is known for its largest population of birds and hippopotamus. It also supports a fishing industry. Birds habitant to the lake are pelican, flamingo, and duck.